Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of April 25 and 26, 2021. Top 20 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams. First question, who will be appointed as the new chairperson of NASSCOM? Answer, Rekha M. Menon. The National Association of Software Services and Companies, NASSCOM, on Thursday appointed Rekha M. Menon, chairperson, and the senior MD at Accenture in India as its chairperson for 2021 and 22. How many Indian women boxers achieved gold medal in World Youth Boxing Championship 2021? Answer 7. Indian women boxers put as essential performance at they created history at the 2021 IBA Youth Men's and Women's World Boxing Championship and concluded their campaign on highly successful note with 7 gold medals in Kiev, Poland on Thursday. Third question. Which state announced Swasthya Suraksha Saptah? Answer Jharkhand. Jharkhand government on Tuesday announced a week-long lockdown from April 22 to 29 named Swasthya Suraksha Saptah in a bid to break the chain of COVID-19 spread in the state. Fourth question. Which state started the first oxygen express train? Answer Maharashtra. Indian Railways oxygen express train with 7 tankers left Kalamboli goods yard in Navy Mumbai on Monday for Vizag where it will be loaded with medical oxygens for Maharashtra. Fifth question. Who became the first woman to scale Mount Annapurna? Answer Priyanka Mohite. Priyanka Mohite, a 26-year-old woman from Maharashtra, became the first Indian woman climber to scale Mount Annapurna, the 10th highest mountain peak in the world, on Friday. Sixth question. Arunachal Pradesh set to become Har Ghar Jal by which year? Answer 2023. Seventh question. Under which Yojana, government will provide 5 kgs of food grain for poor in May and June 2021? Answer PM Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana. The center on Friday, the government will provide 5 kg of free food grain to millions of poor covered under the National Food Security Act 2013 due to economic depressions caused by COVID-19 outbreak in the country. For the months of May, June under Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Eighth question. Which state has launched YSR Zero Interest Crop Loan Scheme? Answer Andhra Pradesh. Ninth question. What is the theme of Leaders Summit on Climate which was held virtually recently? Answer Our Collective Sprint to 2030. President Joe Biden invited 40 world leaders to Leader Summit on Climate. He will host on April 22 and 23. The virtual Leader Summit will be live streamed for public viewing. Which rocket company launched a 4 new astronaut team on a flight to ISS? Answer SpaceX. NASA and Elon Musk's commercial rocket company SpaceX have launched a new 4 astronaut team on a flight to ISS, the first crew ever propelled towards orbit by a rocket booster recycled from a previous space flight. 11th question. Which state airlifted 9 empty oxygen tankers to Odisha oxygen plants with the help of Indian Air Force? Answer Telangana. The Indian Air Force on Friday airlifted 9 empty oxygen tankers from Telangana to Odisha A severe crisis precipitated by second wave of the pandemic. Around 150 metric tons of oxygen will be bought in Telangana using these tankers. 12th question. Who is the author of the book One String Attached, which was published recently? Answer Pankaj Dubey. Pankaj Dubey is an Indian author, screenwriter, director, producer, and social interpreter based in Mumbai. He has a Bachelor of Laws degree from Delhi University and a Master in Applied Communications from Conventry School of Art and Designs. 13th question. Who becomes the first batsman to take 6,000 runs in IPL? Answer Virat Kohli. Royal Challengers Bangalore skipper Virat Kohli on Thursday became the first batsman to complete 6,000 runs in Indian Premier League. 14th question. Who announced world's largest two-wheeler charging network recently? Answer Ola. Ola Electric to set up world's largest EV two-wheeler charging network. Ola Electric on Thursday revealed its plans to set up world's largest electric two-wheeler charging network. SoftBank backed Ola Electric plans to provide charging solutions to all its electric two-wheelers customers. 15th question. Which countries has been awarded with the ICC Development Awards of 2020? Answer Argentina, Brazil, Uganda, Vanuatu. Argentina, Brazil, Uganda, Vanuatu crowned ICC Global Development Award winners. The International Cricket Council today announced the global winners of ICC Development Awards for 2020, which showcase the outstanding work undertaken by members to grow cricket in emerging markets in partnership with ICC. 16th question. Who will represent India at World Cities Cultural Forum? Answer Arvind Kejriwal. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will be representing Delhi and India at the World Cities Cultural Forum WCCF according to a statement issued by city government on Friday. 17th question. Who has been appointed as external auditor of Organization for Prohibition and Chemical Weapons? Answer GC Murmu. India's Comptroller and Auditor General GC Murmu has been chosen as the external auditor by a prestigious inter-government organization working for the elimination of chemical weapons. 18th question. Which country has planned to launch its own orbital station in 2025? Answer Russia. Russia's space agency said on Tuesday it hoped to launch its own orbital station in 2025 as Moscow considered withdrawing from the International Space Station program to go it alone. 19th question. What is the cost of Covaxin per dose published by Bharat Biotech for each state? Answer 600 rupees. 20th question. United States House has voted to make which city as the 51st state of US? Answer Washington DC. Thank you.